Good morning, students. Welcome back to our maths online class. Today we do some problems from chapter 4. Revise the problems. We can do exercise problems what we had left. So, here draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. First one, point P lies on AB. This is simple for which one? This is symbol for line segment. So, line segment AB first we will draw, then mark a point P. Can you see here? This is the figure for P lies on the line segment AB. Okay. Next one, XY and PQ intersect at M. Intersection means meeting at a point. So here XY is the line segment here, and then PQ line, not line segments. XY and PQ are lines. They are intersecting at M. So this is the figure for meeting point M of lines XY and PQ. Next one. Next question. Line L contains E and F but not D. What do you mean by that? We studied a line can be represented by small letter L, M, N, etc. So, L is a line in which we have to mark 2 points E and F. So, we marked E and F on the line L. But D is not a point on L. So, we marked the D outside the line. Okay. So, D is not on the line but outside from the line L. So, this is the figure 4. L contains E and F but not D. Next question. Line OP and line OQ meet at O. So, meeting point should be O. OP marked here, the line OP and OQ, but O should be their meeting point. So, this is the figure for OP and OQ meeting at the point O. Next set of questions is to state true or false. So, some of the questions I wrote here and we can answer now. First one, we should observe the figure. There is a line and there are 5 points on the line Q, M, O, N, P. From this line, we can take some line segments and rays also. First statement, M and N are endpoints of line segment MN. From here figure, we can observe one line segment MN. Then points of this line segment will be M and N. Is it? So this is a correct statement. So it is true. Second statement, O and N are endpoints of the line segment OP. O and N are endpoints of the line segment OP. We can check. From the figure we can check. Here this is the line. Q, M, O, N, P are the points on the line. What is the statement? O and N are endpoints of the line segment OP. Is it correct? OP. From this name itself, you can understand O and P are the endpoints, not O and N. Is it? It is a false statement. You can write false. Third one, M is a point on ray of OP. M. OP, we can observe OP. This is the ray OP. Is it? You know, ray has only one starting point O. OP means O should be the starting point. So this M will not be a point on this ray OP. N is a point, but M is not a point on the ray OP. This is a false statement. You can write false. Okay. In this way, you have to do the problems, understand the concept, refer the notes. Okay, thank you.